names like Bajamino Mantho. Has VPP approached Bajamino since he's no longer affiliated to any political party?
You see, I'm telling you,
Hakabayadai bat kabay election MP kapanwan ka VPP kalapen pau sya ya kanong rim jangka pa kaseng kadon hi ya kibriu kibabet bat kibatbet napo ka parti hiban aireng hakni ka election. U presiden ka parti uba Ardent Miller basayaw moj ulong ba ka parti kampat sim ya karai bakhaddu halor ukertong henrei karai kan salong shen. Ulapan pau ru bakam day ka jingele ban kren sarong henrei ka parti ka sngotu bha ya ka jingkit kli bat ka jingshani apat ba ka badon hakani ka jingyakun. Haba kren halor ki jingitu khubor pat ba bat ki jingkren babun chat ki bakadau kerteng ya ki briu shabar kentup yau Dr. Jeminu ulaong baka VPP kam don kam ban wat kertong nabar. Katkum ka jingitu jung u ka parti ka don bun git khot ki badon ka jingnang jing start ki batip bha ya ka nongrim bat ka jingya linti jong ka seng nadu bastang. Kumta ula banjur ba ka parti ka shania ha kabor bat ka jinglong ki banapo hi. Bat kam don kam ban penyashim benta ya ki briu nabar ban aireng hakani ka MP by election ka ban saja. Ka VPP menta kadang don ha ka jingya perkat bat jingya tai ban jet ya ukertong ubabiang bat karai pat ba kan sami shen ha kisi ki banwan.
we are yet to decide, and that will take place very soon. I'm not going to, it is not that we boast or something like that. But we understand that the pulse of the people that we are going to keep this constituency with us.
And we have seen a lot of speculation doing the rounds, suggesting names like Bajamino Mantho. Has VPP approached Bajamino since he's no longer affiliated to any political party?
You see, I'm telling you, we have enough people in the party who are qualified, who understand the background, the origin of the party. I don't think we need people from outside the party to contest this election.